my name is Sandeep. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology of MLR Institute of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about that operators concept, that is operators in Python. So this is the content what we are going to discuss, operators in Python and arithmetic operators. First, what is an operators? So operators is nothing but a special symbols which is used to perform some arithmetic and logical operations on the variables as well as on the values. So operators is nothing but what? It is a symbol. For example, if you take plus is a symbol, minus, it is also a symbol, and this is what? Multiplication is a symbol. This is division is a symbol. So for these symbols, they are given some functionalities. So through that one, we are going to perform the operations on the variables as well as on the what? Values. So that what operations means? That is arithmetic and logical operations. Next, that operators allows us to manipulate the data, compare values, perform mathematical operations, and also it will be useful in the control flow of a program. That means whenever you, for example, there is a value 10 plus 20. Now here we are going to perform what operation? That addition operation. Whenever we are going to perform some operation, then what will be happen? The data is changed. That means the data will be manipulated. And also by using the operators, we can compare the two values. As well as we can perform the mathematical operations, and that operators will be useful in the control statements. So the control statements we'll discuss in next slide, our next topic. Next, in Python, the Python provides a different type of Python programming operators. Python provides different type of Python operators. See, so if you say here exactly, once will revise means that operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol which is used to perform the operations. So in Python we have different types of operators. But before going to discuss about that operators, here we have that what is an operator means, as we discussed just now, it is a special symbols like plus, that is multiplication symbol, and this is subtraction symbol, and this is the greater less than symbol. Like that one, we have different symbols are there, and different special symbols are there, and these symbols are represented what? As operand. As an operand. Anyway, whenever we are going to perform an operation using an operator on the variables, then that variables become an operand. Then that variables we can consider it as an operand. For example, here see 3 is there and 2 is there. Whenever we are performing the operation, that is which operation? Addition operation, then these 3 and 2 can call it as operands. For example, A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. Now A plus B. Whenever we are going to perform some operation, then these two variables can call it as operands. And then we'll get what? Output. That is an result. So this is an operators and operands. So operators is represented what? It's a symbols, and operands is represented what? That values are the variables we can consider. So that is the thing, right? Next, see here we have the types of operators. We have different types of operators in Python: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators. So like that one, we have different types of operators in Python. Of course, in C or Java programming languages also we have the different types of operators. Similarly, in Python programming language also we have different types of operators. So in this one, first we will discuss about what? Arithmetic operators. So what is the arithmetic operators? See here, arithmetic operators are used to perform different mathematical operations that is addition operation, multiplication operation, division operation, subtraction operation. So arithmetic operators is what? What is the arithmetic operators? It means which is used to perform various mathematical operations. What are that various mathematical operations? Let me see in this table. First one here is addition operator. What is that addition operator purpose? Means which is used to add two operands. Okay, for example, A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now A plus B means 10 plus 20, that equals to 30. So this is what? Addition operation. Next, subtraction operation. It is also one of the mathematical operation. So here what is the operator? Subtraction operator. So subtraction operator is what? Means subtracts the second operand from the first one and the result is negative if the operand is less than the second operand. For example, here see, for example, x equals to 10, y equals to 20. Now this is the first operand and this is the second operand. Now x minus y, that is what? 10 minus 20. Whenever the first operand is less than the second operand, if the first operand is less than the second operand, like this one, then the result will get what? Negative. Then will result what? Negative. So this is, for example, x minus y, right? For example, 20 minus 10. Now we'll get the result in positive. We'll get the result in positive. So that is the subtraction operator. Next we have the multiplication operator. So multiplication operator, for example, we can consider these two operands, that is variables, that is x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. Now x into y, that is 10 into 20, that equals to 200. So it just perform the multiplication operation. Next, divide operator, which we can say division operator. This is very important here. Division operator gives or returns the quotient. For example, x equals to 10 and y equals to 2. Now x divided by y, that means 10 divided by 2. So if you take here to perform the division operation, 2 5s 10 and then 0. Now what the division operator returns here is, this is the value, that is quotient. Quotient value returns as an output. Right? Next, what is that one? Floor division operator. Yeah. What is this? See, it is also perform the division operator. That floor division operator is also perform the division operation. But what is the difference between this division operator and floor division operator? Means the floor division operator returns the output in an integer type. The result type is also considered in Python programming language. But if you take in C or Java programming language, we are not going to consider the type that much. But in Python programming language, whenever we are going to perform the operations, we have to consider the type of the result or the type of the operation result. So here the division operator returns the float type and floor division operator returns what? Integer type. For example, here the division operator. So division operator is what? 5 point. The output will get what? 5.0. Anyway, we'll see an example next. Here the floor division operator returns only this value. This is the floor value we can also consider. Next, the modulus operator. So what is this modulus operator? The modulus operator perform an operation which returns the quotient of the division operation. For example, here x equals to 10 and y equals to 2. Now x modulus y. So what will be happen? So for example, so 10 modulus 2, then it will return, see, 2 5s 10 and then remainder is what? 0. So that's why it returns what? 0. So this is the returns by the modulus operator. And next we have the exponent operator. What we had? Exponent operator. So this exponent operator performs then power operations. For example, x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Now x power y or exponent operator y. Now this we can say x power y. So what is the x power y? 2 power 3. What is the 2 power 3? That is 8. That means 2 into 2 into 2, like that one. So this is what arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators in Python. So now let's see an example right through the program. First, x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. X equals to 10 and y equals to 20. Now actually see here what are the operators we have in arithmetic: addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator. First we'll see the example on addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator. Now print, we are going to perform the operation and directly print the result, x plus y. Next print x minus y. Next print x multiplication operator y. Now see what we will get as we discussed just now. So x plus y, 10 plus 20, 30. X minus y, 10 minus 20 minus 10, we will get the negative result. And here 10 into 20, 200. Now see, so what is the file name? Sample. So sample.py. What? 30 minus 10 and 200. So this is the what arithmetic operators. Actually we can consider up to division operator, that is basic arithmetic operators. Basic arithmetic operators, that is addition operator, subtraction operator, division operator and multiplication operator we can consider as a basic arithmetic operators. Anyway, now see here, next print, okay, x division operator y. Now see how the output we will get for this division operator, right? In which, okay, now float type, as we discuss, right? As we discuss, what the division operator gives the output or returns the output in which type? Float type. For example, for easy purpose, here I will give what? 2. Now I save this program and once again going to run this. What happened? 5.0. So the division operator returns which type? Float type. Next, floor division operator, x floor division operator y. X floor division operator y. Now see what happened. Now floor division operator returns the result in which type? Integer type. So that is the differences between the division operator and floor division operator. Okay. Now see next, which operator we had after the floor division operator? Modulus operator. Now x modulus y. So that modulus operator returns what? Remainder. The modulus operator returns what? Remainder. Now see, sorry, I save this program and once again I am going to, we will get what? What is the remainder for that x modulus y? That is remainder is 0. Okay. So next, last operator is x. Okay. So this is the thing. Right now, what is the last operator? For example, x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Okay. Now print x exponent operator y. X exponent operator y. Now see 8. 2 power 3. We can consider what? For example, see 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 means what? 8. So this is the arithmetic operators of the Python. Next, yeah, what is the thing here is, finally, the result of division operator in Python second version, up to Python second version, the result will get in integer only. Up to, actually now what we are getting the output, in which data type we are getting the output? the output is in float data type. But up to Python second version, the division operator returns the result in integer type only. But coming to from Python third version, we are going to get the float type value. We are going to get what? The float type value for division operator. We are going to get what the result is, float type value for the division operator. So that's why again we have that floor division operator which is provided in Python third version if you want to get the integer type result. Integer type result whenever you are performing the division operation. Okay, right. Next here we have some precedences. Precedency means what? Priority of arithmetic operators. So we have a lot of arithmetic operators as we seen, and also we seen that programmatical examples, right? Now see here, precedency means a priority of operators. So if you take here, what are the priorities means? First one here is parenthesis, and next exponent operator, and next multiplication operator, and then division operator, addition operator, and subtraction operator. Actually, addition operator and subtraction operator having same precedency. Okay, we'll see one example based on this precedency of arithmetic operators. We are not going to discuss about the precedency of Python operators, precedency of arithmetic operators. So up to arithmetic operators we are going to see what priorities of that one. Now see, x equals to, for example, x equals to 2, y equals to 3. Now see, print x into 2 plus 1. Now in this one, all these what? Arithmetic operators only. Okay, na? All this one, for example, yeah, x into y. All these are arithmetic operators only. Now x is multiplication operator y plus, that is addition operator 1. So now according to the precedency of the arithmetic operators, what is the highest priority? Means multiplication operator, and then addition operator. Means for what purpose that operators priority or precedency is there? Means first, whenever an expression contain more than one operator, whenever an expression contain more than one operator, then the Python interpreter or Python compilers has to be perform or has to be decide based on the priority of the operators, that is which operator or which operation has to be performed and next which operation has to be performed. So for that purpose we have the priorities of the operators, or we can say precedency of the operator. So once again I will tell you here what is the purpose of the precedency of the arithmetic operators. Means whenever an expression contain more than two operators like this one, now the Python compilers has to decide which operator has to perform first and which operator has to perform next. So for that purpose we have the precedency of the operators. So according to the precedency of the operators, arithmetic operators, here the multiplication operator has high priority and addition operator has the next priority. So according to that one, first multiplication operator will be performed, after then addition operation will be performed. So according to this performance, now first which operator? Multiplication operator, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is what? 6. Next addition operator, 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Now let me see what we will get the result by running this program. Okay, see 7. So this is the purpose of the precedency of the arithmetic operators, right? So this is about what? Arithmetic operators and what are the operators concept in Python. In next topic we'll discuss about the remaining operators in Python, right? Thank you.